Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, finally it is a Shein haul. I have a huge parcel from Shein.com. It's like okay, it's not in a good condition, but yeah, it's a Shein haul. When it's come to mind that there's gonna be a Shein haul, you usually expect it could be clothing, bags, accessories, stuff like that. But this Shein haul is completely the opposite. Like there is no clothing item, no bags, nothing like that. By the way, I'm in a sleek ponytail because it's so hot. So I have a lot of things to show you all. So let's get started. The first thing I got is this box. It's like a mint in color, and this is not a normal box. It's open like this, so you can stick it anywhere. Like suppose this is a wall, and you can stick like this, and it's sort of open like this, and you can put some stuff here. So I find this very cool, and so I got this box. It is actually quite small, but yeah, you can fit some stuff and stick it here wall. So I got this. The price was, I think, okay, it's for rupees 300. I just leave all the, I think it's 310 rupees. However, I'm gonna mention on the screen that this cost. So yeah, I got this one. I'll mention the price on the screen. So yeah, I like it. Like not very impressed, but yeah, I kind of like this. The next product is very exciting. It's this. Let me open. Okay. This is a pom-pom keychain. Like this. It's so cute. And it has a keychain, something in it. So, okay. So you got a keychain, and the cool thing that it has a mirror in it. So it's good for like touch-ups. I always want a mirror, but then I always want a small mirror to keep in my handbag. But I always want a cute pom-pom soft thing. So I got two in one. How cute it is! Like how cute, and it got mirror on both of the sides. So it's really cute and amazing. So I really love this one, and the price is also not so much. So this is cute, actually very cute. So yeah, the next item is this headband, and this is very cute. It looks very good on pictures. So this is like this. Let me wear it. Okay. It looked like this, and it's so cute. I mean, look at those ears. And the material is so soft. It's good quality. It's thick, and it's very good quality. It's look nice, so cute and so soft. So I want this one. Like I want this headband for so long, and finally it's here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this one. Whenever I do my skincare, I'll just wear this, and it's look good. So happy with it. I'm so happy with this purchase. The next item is this one. Actually, I told you that this haul is free from all the accessories, but just one hour. I got this belt. It's like a transparent belt, very basic. So yeah, it's transparent, so it goes with a lot of outfits. So it's like a belt, normal, very basic transparent belt. So yeah, that's this. Okay, let me open it because I want to show you. Okay. Oh shit! Why is it not opening? After struggling a lot. Oh God. Finally. Finally. Okay, it looked like this. Transparent belt. I want this, so yeah, happy with the purchase, and it's of good quality. Like, this thing is very thick and sturdy. It's good. The next product is actually these rings. Okay, let me just show you all. So I got 15 pieces of this ring set. Oh shit. Oh, where it has gone. Okay, so yeah, I've got some silver, some black, golden, more black thin ring, more silver, two silver, every, like, all the colors and the varieties I got. It keeps falling, yeah. So yeah, I got this. It's look good. So yeah, I'm very happy with the purchase again. I am like big fan of rings, so I'm very sorted. Okay, so next thing is related to beauty items. It is these two beauty blenders. Actually, I prefer more like pack blenders and like normal brand blenders. But I want to try. I just wanted to try Sheen blenders. They comes in cute packaging, and they are soft and squishy. Impressive because they are very cheap. I just want to try. I have no high hopes for them, but yeah, they are cute. They are, and the color is also very nice, black. So by the way, I'm not going to say anything about this one right now because I haven't tried and tested them. So I'll just give review on my Instagram story, so you can find there as well. So I will just test and put a story or like something whenever I use them. So yeah, that's it. And so cute. I mean, they are so cute and so soft also. Happy. Actually, I remember one of my friend told that why didn't you use beauty blenders to blend a foundation? She got crazy on me sometimes. Like, why do you use brushes and not beauty blenders? I'm like, okay, I'll just buy one because all my blenders are like very dirty and spoiled, so I just throw them and I want new. So yeah, just like that. The next purchase is this rubber band with metal buckle kind of a thing. So it looked like this. So yeah, how does it open? Yeah, it opened like this. So it's look good and sturdy. Your ponytail will look so good after you use this rubber band. So I want this because I'm doing job and mostly my hair is like this, like in a ponytail. So I want a good rubber band, and that's it. The next thing is so adorable. Like, look at this. Can you see all the shimmer? These are hoop earrings by Shein, and this is how they look like. And beautiful. Can you please take a moment and appreciate how gorgeous they are looking? I love them. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. They are so beautiful. It's all glittery and shiny and dangling, and it's very beautiful. Can't wait. The next product is this. It's like a tweezer. It's not actually a tweezer, but you use this one to, you know, to like put your eyelashes. So this look like this, like a basic, yeah, you just take your lashes and stick it. So yeah, I wanted this one because actually I don't use lashes because I have like long thick lashes, but now because of my job and something and interest in makeup, I want to apply lashes, and I want a good tweezer, and I find one. I mean, I want a good, like, good instrument, a good tool, sorry, a tool to apply them. So yeah, I found this, like, very basic normal steel metal. I don't want anything very chunky and colorful and fancy, so this is one is decent and I want that. So it's very basic, boring also. So yeah, that's this. And the next product is, I want this. I always like wanted to try Shein brushes. I don't know why, but I want to test. I want to see their quality. So I found this this brush. I got this brush from Shein, and the thing I want to appreciate is that they give a guard to protect your bristle, to protect the bristles. So it looked like this. It's very, oh, it is thick, yeah. I mean, this brush is very I don't know what to say, but yeah, the density of this brush and the bristles is so nice. It look good, yeah. It's like very heavy, thick, good looking brush. So it is a blush brush, and want to try this, and so soft. This is very soft, and I'm surprised and happy with the purchase. I'm like, wow. I found, let me just cover this again. Okay, yeah, I'm doing this ulta. So I like the fact that they have give this guard for brush. So I'm happy. Thank you, Shein. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like the haul and you like everything that I've shown you. If you ask me what's my favorite, it's definitely that earring, that earring. These, I love them. That's it for the video. Actually, another Shein haul is coming because after some time I ordered another a bunch of things from Shein. So wait for that, and that haul is gonna be more exciting than this one. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel because another haul is coming super soon. And yeah, that's it. I'm Charles Gupta signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of your health because it's so important. And yeah, that's it.